Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can screen mirror your iPhone to your MacBook. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've got an iPhone, a MacBook, and we're going to do a screen mirror. So first of all, on your Mac, you need some certain system requirements. So it needs to be a Mac OS CQ 15 Plus or a Monterey Plus for AirPlay. Then on your iPhone, you need an iOS 18 or more or an iPhone 7 Plus for AirPlay. The network needs to be the same Apple ID and the same Wi-Fi network. And then step 2 is the iPhone mirroring app method. So first, open your iPhone mirroring app on Mac, unlock iPhone nearby, enter the passcode when prompted, and then enjoy a full interaction with a mouse and keyboard control. If we're using the AirPlay wireless method, swipe down from your control center on your iPhone, tap screen mirroring, and then select your Mac. Enter AirPlay's code if needed, and this is perfect for presentations and media sharing. Some pro tips and bonus methods. So the wired option. You can use a QuickTime player with lightning cable for a stable connection, and then iPhone mirroring supports notifications as well as audio playback, and then AirPlay works great for sharing content with others if you're doing perhaps a presentation.